Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to see all the activities on the lesson An Encounter of a Special Kind from 10th Standard textbook. So friends, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get our latest video updates. So let's get started. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये ॲन एन्काउंटर ऑफ अ स्पेशल काइंड या पाठावर आधारित सर्व ॲक्टिव्हिटीज पाहणार आहोत. इन दिस लेसन द रायटर तपन मुखर्जी गिव्स ॲन अकाउंट ऑफ हिज एन्काउंटर विथ अ लंगूर. अ मेल langur was biting and trying to kill a baby langur near the writer's house. He heard the commotion and went out to see what was the matter. He drives away the male langur with a stick and saves the baby langur. He also gives him first aid and food. He tries his best to comfort the poor frightened creature. All the time, the mother langur watches him. Finally, she carries away her baby, but expresses her gratitude to the writer through the look in her eyes. This is a special kind of encounter with the langur. The writer shows, besides food, one can establish communication and bonding with animals through love, trust, and understanding. Warming up. Chit chat. Question: what do you see in the picture? Answer: a girl is carrying a puppy in a plastic tub through the water. What do you think the girl is trying to do? Why? The girl is trying to save the small dog because it cannot swim. If you were in the place of that girl, what would you do? I would try my best to save the dog. Do you think she will become successful in her mission? Yes, I think so. Now, English workshop. Question: state whether you agree or disagree with the following statements. Justify your choice with proper reasons. The compound where the writer was living rich in nature's bounty. Answer: I agree that the compound was rich in nature because it was large campus with green grass, colorful flowers and tall majestic trees. There were squirrels, many species of birds and even a group of langurs. Holidays provide us an opportunity to read various magazines and storybooks. Answer: I agree with the statement because during holidays children have more free time in which they can read various magazines and storybooks. The narrator made a mistake by saving the baby langur. Answer: I do not agree with the statement. The narrator, who was a 15-year-old boy, showed tremendous courage and saved the baby langur. It shows how kind-hearted and brave boy he was. If he had not saved the baby langur, it would have been killed by the male langur. Animals cannot convey emotions. I do not agree with the statement. There are so many examples of friendship between human beings and animals. Dogs, horses, and elephants are good examples. The narrator was 55 years old when this incident occurred. I do not agree because the narrator is now 70 years old and when the incident occurred he was 15 years old. Next question. Match the phrases given in group A with their meanings in group B. To be a part and parcel of means to be an essential or integral part. To be engrossed in means to be completely occupied in. To take notice of means to observe and give attention. To figure out means to be able to solve a problem. To ponder over means to think about seriously. The meaning of the phrase to be overwhelmed by is to be affected emotionally in a powerful way. To find a solace means to find comfort and peace. Next question. Write in your own words. Why did the narrator ignore the barking of dogs? Answer. Number 1. The narrator ignored the barking of dogs because it was something not new to him. And second, there were so many dogs and they used to bark regularly. Why did Mother Langur make no efforts to grab her baby from the coop? Answer. Number 1. Because the dogs were barking continuously. And second, because she was helpless. Read the text carefully and arrange the occurrence of happenings in the text in a sequential order. I was engrossed in various magazines and storybooks. Number 2. I became deeply absorbed in the book. 3. I heard the disturbance approaching closer. Number 4. I saw something horrible. I recalled the terrible custom in the animal clan. Next, I gathered a stout stick and then started throwing stones. Then, I managed to catch hold of the baby langur's tail. Next, I took the baby langur to the backyard. After that, I offered him a peeled banana. Then, I cannot forget that look in her eyes. After that, I allowed the mother access to her baby. Next, I was showed that food was not the only means of communication. And the last one, I still fondly remember that encounter. Discuss the following and write about it in your own words in 5 to 6 lines. What would you do if you found an injured bird while returning from your school? शाळेतून घरी येताना जर जखमी अवस्थेत पक्षी सापडला तर तुम्ही काय कराल? Answer. If I find an injured bird while coming from school, I will first examine the exact condition of the bird. If it is very serious, I will directly take it to the nearest veterinary clinic. But if the bird is slightly injured, I will carry it home gently, give some grains and water, and dress the wound. What opinion do you form about the narrator from the story? या कथेतून लेखकाबाबत आपलं मत काय असेल? Answer. On the basis of the story, I can conclude that the writer is kind, compassionate, and helpful. He must be a sensitive person. He must be brave because he confronted the furious male langur alone. He had presence of mind to take up a stick and strike the male langur. Next question. Complete the following and write a paragraph on each of the following activities. Mother-child relationship, love and affection, emotions and sentiments, protection and care, feeding, teaching, guides to live independently. Answer. The relationship between a mother and her child is at the topmost of all relations. Mother has utmost importance in life. Even if it is a human or animal, one cannot survive without a mother. The poet Yashwant wrote in Marathi, Lord of the three words is like a beggar without mother. Mothers and their children are connected even before birth. A mother is emotionally attached with her child. She takes care of her child and protects the child in any condition. Mother is the guru of her child. She guides her child and teaches him or her about what is good and what is bad. So, a mother plays an important role in shaping the life of her child. Injured animal. How will you help? Check injuries. Provide first aid. Provide water and food. Pat gently. Allow to return home. Answer. If I come across an injured to return to his home, I am sure it will feel the tender touch. Next question. Work in pairs and make as many words as you can using letters in the word encounter. Answer. 3-letter words. 10, net, not. 4-letter words. Noun, tour, tone. 5 or 6-letter words. Enter, count, tenor. Translate the following proverbs in English. जनसेवा हीच खरी ईश्वर सेवा. Service to man is service to God. पेरावे तसे उगवदे. As you sow, so shall you reap. Next question. Write a paragraph and give an appropriate title to it. Use the following points. Birds and animals. Love and affection. Loyal. Our best friends. Serve us. Protection and security. Kindness, honest, compassion. Do not hurt or destroy us. Loneliness avoided. Answer. Birds and animals are our best friends. Birds and animals are part and parcel of humans. But man kills them mercilessly. Man kills animals for food and sometimes for enjoyment or fun. Some birds and some animals like dogs, horses and elephants are very loving, loyal and faithful. They are like our best friend. Animals serve us in many ways, so we should provide them protection and security. We should treat them kindly and with compassion. Birds help us in many ways, so we should not hurt birds and animals. Complete the remaining blocks determining the types of news. Types of news: business, sports, political, general, local, national. Read the following headlines and write the headline intro and a short continuing paragraph. Achievers narrate their success stories at career counseling events. Answer: The Times of India, Mumbai. At career counseling events held here in the Magnet Hall, Dadar, achievers told how they achieved success in spite of many problems. It was interesting to hear those stories as everyone narrated his or her experience while achieving goal. Such type of information helps young people to achieve success. India's first even tourism university to be established by IIHM. Answer: Mumbai. IIHM has decided to establish a tourism university, the first ever in India. Tourism is developing fast in India and many careers are waiting for the young generation to take part in it. In the beginning, there will be degree courses in different facilities. Also, various diploma courses will be started. Next question. Read the following headline and write a news report. Follow the steps as given. Headline: Tiger attacks 8-year-old at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Deadline: yesterday, that is 19th March. Lead line: a tiger entered the Sahakar colony and attacked a boy playing in the compound. Body of the report: people heard the boy shouting for help and the tiger ran away. This was a third such incident, so it is necessary to be very careful. Conclusion: the forest department should construct a wall so that wild animals would not enter the human settlements. So friends,